Amazon took away my brand registry and dropped a bomb on thousands of sellers just like myself. And if you're facing this issue, I want to help you resolve it or make progress towards resolving it. There are actionable steps that you can take in order to get your brand registry back. And I will be covering 3 steps that you can take if you are trying to resolve this brand registry issue. If you're new to the channel, my name is Pretty, and on this channel I talk about how you can build wealth by using the web, and I primarily talk about how I scaled my Amazon business to 7 figures. I absolutely love brand registry, and that's why I'm fighting so hard to get it back, because without it, I can't keep adding products under my brand. And that's a huge issue because I have 2 products ready to be launched, and I've been going through this for the last 2 months, and I'm not able to upload any listings for my brand. I'm not able to post anything under my brand registry. Because of this issue, I literally have thousands of dollars tied up, which is really scary. But again, I want to stay positive. I'm combating this issue, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. Now, if you've been reporting infringement claims and intellectual property or copyright, it's going to be harder for you to get your brand registry back because Amazon is going ham on people who have been using these tools to kind of police their brand. I'm in a huge caveat because of that, because I reported multiple people because there was multiple bad actors in my niche using my work. It's insane what black hat tactics the Chinese will use. And if you haven't had that happen to you, well, you're lucky, my friend. And it might happen to you in the future. And that's kind of why Amazon is also doing this brand registry sweep. It's just to get a bunch of people off their platform. Number 1, if your brand registry has been taken away, you need to appeal that. And what you need to do in order to appeal is go to that initial email that they send from brand registry, send a follow-up email, appeal their decision. And that'll be very simple and easy to do. They will want some verification stuff from you. It's invoices. It's going to be pictures of your product with your logo affixed to it. They're going to want your trademark information and all of that stuff. Once you've sent all of that to Amazon, they will either accept or deny your appeal. After the appeal, they'll either send you an email asking for a verification call. If you do get that verification call, absolutely hop on it and talk to them and have all your receipts from your trademark, your product, your manufacturer invoice, all of that stuff. You need to have everything organized and ready to go because they will ask you a bunch of questions about the private label products you have under your account. Now, they did not give me the option to do a verification call. And that really sucked. And the reason why, because I spoke to an Amazon lawyer, they basically said that I was abusing their brand registry reporting tools. And so they see me as a red flag and they're just like, we're not going to give you the opportunity to prove yourself. So like I mentioned, my appeal was denied. I kept emailing them. We don't know why Amazon decided to blacklist a bunch of attorneys. My USTPO trademark attorney was blacklisted on Amazon. Now, I want to focus on what you can do if they say that your attorney was blacklisted. What you want to do is go to USTPO.com, and that's where you filed for your trademark. You want to go there and file a withdrawal of attorney. Now, what you want to do is remove that attorney from having access to your trademark, and you no longer want them to be representing you. So you want to remove them. So they're going to require you to be the trademark owner. They're going to want your government ID, social security, driver's license, a picture of you, and some additional information through verified ID. That's the government system that they use to verify people. So it's serious. You want to go through that. You want to file for the withdrawal of attorney, and then you want to go back to Amazon and reappeal. Showing Amazon that the blacklist attorney is off of your trademark will help you get your brand registry back. Now, I did do this, I did remove them. However, that did not work for me, unfortunately, which is why I have to take matters a little more seriously. As an Amazon seller, you cannot give up. Amazon is literally an obstacle course, and there will be so many obstacles that will come along, try to get you off the platform or try to just kind of discourage you. But I'm not the type to take no for an answer. Would definitely recommend that you try to appeal at least 2 times before taking things a little more seriously. You want to email BR HR-verification@amazon.com for a re-appeal. Now, this is going to be an escalations department, and they will take a look at what's wrong with your brand registry and whether or not you'll be eligible. Now, of course, I did all of this. Amazon ghosted me, and that's why I had to hire a lawyer. You know, Amazon can do whatever they want. So I decided to go the legal route, and I got an Amazon lawyer involved. I put a $5,000 retainer down, and now they are using the law to get my brand registry back. Because again, I'm a legit brand. I have all of the receipts. I have every single thing that they would ask for. And the fact that they're not doing a verification call with me is just insane, because I'm ready to answer any questions that they have. So you sometimes have to take things into a third party, a lawyer, and having an Amazon lawyer is very, very important, especially nowadays, because I even have friends who are Section 3 right now, and they're not able to get disbursements from Amazon, and some accounts are just getting suspended. There's been a lot more IP complaints as well. This is the worst time, you know, Q4, to throw all this at us, but they're doing what they have to do. Again, step number 1 is, if your brand registry got taken away, is appeal. Step number 2 is to reappeal after you filed the withdrawal of attorney, and make sure that, you know, there are no red flags on your account. And then if they still deny that, hire a lawyer, because brand registry is crucial, and you absolutely need it to be successful on Amazon, because how are you going to build a brand without brand registry? Amazon is really moving towards having legitimate professional brands on Amazon, and you definitely want to be one of them. You cannot give up when it comes to this brand registry issue. Amazon is going to keep evolving, and there's going to be obstacles that come in your way. But if you are a serious Amazon seller, you cannot let any obstacle stop you from selling on Amazon. You need to be proactive, you need to be persistent, and you need to keep going. And that's literally the name of the game. I've been dealing with this for a while now, and it literally makes me want to pull my hair out, but you just have to pivot. You just have to figure out what you're going to do to combat this. I will leave additional information and steps you guys can take in order to appeal in the description box down below. So please check out the resources that I have down there. It's just gonna be basic information like the email address and maybe like what I sent in the email to just help you guys out a little bit more. Amazon is not for the weak, and Amazon will literally just eat you up if you take no for an answer, which is why you should definitely not take no for an answer, and stay super persistent and consistent in fighting them back. And I know you can do it. If you found any value from this video, please give me a thumbs up. I will definitely keep you guys updated on my Amazon brand registry process, and kind of keep you guys in the loop when it comes to whether or not I got it back. I'm praying that I get it back, and you guys know I'm taking all of the necessary actions to get it back. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below for me, and I'll definitely get back to you, because I know there's specifics that vary from each seller, and every seller has a different story, and I definitely want to help you guys out. If you have any questions, again, leave them down below. Upcoming year 2024, I'm going to go harder than I've ever gone before, and I'm really going to be launching a lot of products. Speaking of products, you guys know I use Helium 10 to do product research, to create listings, and to check out and analyze the marketplace and competitors. They are running a discount right now, 40% off for 4 months, which is insane. I think that's one of their best offers that they've given out in a while. So if you want to take advantage of that, it'll be down in the description below. And I do want to be completely transparent. I would never promote anything on this channel that I didn't personally use myself. I found my first product using Helium 10, and it is the tool, the only tool that I use in order to launch private label products. I hope this video was helpful. If you guys found any value from it, please give me a thumbs up. It really does help out the channel, and I truly do appreciate it. If you are trying to launch products in 2024 and need some help, be sure to use Helium 10 to do the product research and get a bunch of ideas, analyze the marketplace, create a plan, contact the manufacturers, do the niche research, think of innovations for that product, make that product better, and then ultimately, you know, bring it to the market and have an amazing launch for that product. Now, of course, I'm going to be covering more and more information on how to do all of this. So be sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you need help doing product research, check out this video right here.